How to lock your Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings page, what you can do is just tap on the option labeled as lock profile. So simply tap on it. And now here on the next page, just tap on this option labeled as lock your profile. And here, once you tap on it, your Facebook profile will be locked. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.